Hello everyone, welcome to FPL Dream Team selection for the upcoming game week 17. Before starting, we would like to mention if you are new here and haven't subscribed to us yet, please do it. It's completely free but means a lot to us. Now let's go deeper into the video. Crystal Palace are playing great football this season under Vieira. They have beaten Everton at Selhurst Park. Guaita has kept their post secured 4 times in their first 16 matches and bagged 54 points so far, including 3 bonus points. He also saved 47 times so far this season. In this game week, where the fixture is loaded with so many options to be considered in the goalkeeping position, we choose Guaita in our dream team as a potential and challenging one who can be the one to fulfill our expectation against Southampton, who are underperforming this season as they scored only 14 goals so far. Alisson Becker this season has kept 9 clean sheets in 15 matches he played. During this period of time, he has conceded only 12 goals. Liverpool have kept clean sheets in their last 4 out of 6 matches. This week they will face Newcastle, who are trying to get out of the relegation zone. So if everything goes as usual, Alisson is expected to have a clean sheet this week again. Manchester City's defensive wall, Ruben Dias, has made his place in our upcoming week's dream team. This man almost maintains an ever-presence in City's squad and does possess serious aerial threats. As Cancelo would miss the upcoming game week 17, City will depend on Diaz more than usual to keep their defense packed against a growing Leeds side. Whenever Liverpool would keep a clean sheet or win a match, Trent would have some contributions to it. That has been a constant thing nowadays. In the last 2 matches, when Liverpool won by the lowest margin 1-0, he bagged the highest bonus points of 3 on both occasions. In the upcoming game week, when Liverpool will face Newcastle in a home match, Trent would definitely eye to bag some more fantasy points. Chelsea defender Antonio Rudiger has maintained his consistent presence in the lineup and has been the silent performer for his team. Despite being a central defender, he has already scored 2 goals and assisted another 3 and provided 7 clean sheets. In the upcoming game week 7, he will face Everton in a home match where he would love to put on a nail performance again. Matthew Cash had a great season last year. But at the start of this season, Aston Villa looked defensively unbalanced as they conceded too many goals. But Villa's season rejuvenated under their new coach Steven Gerrard, who has won 3 out of their last 5 games and only lost against table toppers Manchester City and Liverpool by the thinnest margin of 1-0. Aston Villa have very good fixtures from now on. They will face Norwich this midweek, who are struggling to find themselves on the score sheet. So Cash will most probably keep clean sheet this week. Arsenal defender Kieran Tierney has been back and rocking again. He has provided 12 points in each of the last 2 matches and he seemed like to have regained his full match fitness. In the upcoming game week, when his team Arsenal would face West Ham in a home game, he would surely be in contention to keep some real pressure on West Ham through the wing. Jarrod Bowen started the season silently but became more of a focal point of West Ham's attacks as the season progressed. He has played every match for his team this season and has already scored 3 goals and assisted another 7 while providing 74 FPL points. In this game week, he will face Arsenal in an away match where he is expected to keep an impact once again, as this season West Ham has really performed great against the big teams. Bernardo Silva is probably the most complete midfielder in Manchester City's star-studded team, and currently he is in red-hot form also. Except the first match of the season, he has not missed a match of this year's Premier League for Manchester City and has provided 90 points already. In the upcoming game against Leeds, he will be in contention to add some more points to his tally, as his opponent has an XGA of 26.3, which puts them on the 4th worst place on the XGA chart. Mohamed Salah scored the goal from the spot kick to secure the win against Aston Villa in the weekend, where he also took 5 shots from the box and 2 of them were on target. His opponent is Newcastle this game week, who has the worst defense in the league as they conceded 34 goals so far, more than anyone in the league. So this match might become high scoring for Salah cause he has already scored 14 goals and 10 assists in his 16 matches, which shows how dangerous he has been throughout this season. That's why, like every other game week, he remained in our dream team. Mason Mount has not been able to maintain his status as untouchable in Tuchel's team this season due to his fitness issues. But whenever he played, he brought cool air to his manager's mind and also the minds of his FPL owners. In only 794 minutes, he provided 77 points this season. He scored a goal in an intense 3-2 victory over Leeds. This week, he will face Everton in Stamford Bridge, who are showing defensive vulnerability all over the season, as they even lost their last match by 3-1 against Crystal Palace. Speaking of Crystal Palace, what an incredible game week Conor Gallagher had against Everton, as he scored a great opening goal and also had an outstanding goal from the outside of the box at the 90th minute of the game. In that game, he took 4 goal attempts, 3 of them were on target and also created 3 chances. He is facing Southampton this week, as they have conceded 24 goals, 3 of them they conceded in their last match against Arsenal. So Conor Gallagher will definitely try to take the advantage of Southampton's defense. Jesus is really playing well this season. He is playing more in the right wing position and shining in the new role. He became more of a playmaker than a striker. He scored 2 goals and assisted 6 times this season. But the only problem is his playing time, as he played only 1046 minutes out of a possible 1440 minutes this season. He blanked his last 2 matches. But if he starts against Leeds in the upcoming game week, he will definitely try to contribute in goals. Ollie Watkins was a star performer last season, but he didn't start this term very well. In fact, the starting was not satisfactory at all for most of the FPL managers. But the 7.6 million priced forward has started providing again. In his last 7 matches, he scored 3 goals and assisted another 1. 2 of the scored goals were the only ones in those matches for his team Aston Villa. These things show the impact of Watkins on his team, and he is a member of our upcoming week's dream team. Chelsea's big money transfer Romelu Lukaku hasn't shown his full potential yet for his current team in this season. He suffered from injury and also had difficulties adapting with Chelsea's team combination. But now he is coming back to his fitness, and a home game against Everton could be a fine opportunity for him to return in the score sheet. That was all from us for the upcoming week's Dream Team selection. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye on us for upcoming contents. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPL on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.